Hello, in this video we show how to calculate the number of combinations in R. So we will go to RStudio, and if you want you can find these files from the download link in this website. So we go to this file and find the section for counting the number of combinations. So we know the combinations means the distinct subsets of size k such can be chosen from n different items, and it is calculated as n factorial divided by r factorial and n minus r factorial, this product in denominator. So here r is same as k. So we choose r items from n items. So and r are distinct, but we do not consider the sequence of these different r elements. So that how many ways of choosing r distinct items from n distinct items? There are combinations of this number of ways. So, for example, if we want to calculate how many ways of choosing 3 items from 5 items, then we can use choose function in R. So choose 5, 3. So that 10 different ways of these kinds of 3 elements from 5 in distinct items. And if we want to know how many different ways of choosing 3 different items from these 50 distinct items, then we can use choose 53. So the number is quite big, about 19,600 different ways. Thanks for watching.